Here it is. This is the exact stack that I use to turn a list of domains into names, roles, and verified emails, so I can start sending cold emails fast. Personally, I think everybody's email should be published online, and you can just look up any executive you want and send them an email right to their name. But until that time, we need to rely on tools like this to find context for cold email or whatever we're gonna use them for. And sometimes you don't even have a name. All you have is a list of domain names. What are we supposed to even do with this? We're gonna turn them into leads for cold email. You can't hide from me, Zoo Song from bigmarker.com. Big Marker. So normally you'd have to go into the doc and just build these leads manually. Zusong May, and this is his LinkedIn, and I don't know his email, so I'm gonna have to maybe find a tool that'll help me find his email. We don't wanna do any of that. Instead, I built this flow that will use AI to automatically do that research and spit out a verified email. So first up, let's import the leads. I have 101 here from the last video I did on this. I'm gonna import this one, which is all the HubSpot messages sites that I pulled from a website called Built With, but you can use any list of domains. Drag and drop the file. It's 17 megabytes of domains. And we'll just insert new sheet, 110,000 leads. When you get a list from Built With, it gives you all this other information. Just so we're not cheating here, I want to delete everything that's not domain. But first, I'm going to make sure these leads are qualified by just unclicking all the small companies. So I'm just going to copy these into sheet 1 right up here. So after processing all these domains, we have 2,500 leads, which will now run through the system. What's happening here is our leads are fed into this Google Sheet. Then it's going to run a Google search automatically for betterup.com CEO site linkedin.com. This is whatever domain you're searching over and over again. Then it'll grab the CEO and it will pull this information into ChatGPT, which extracts all the data that we need and tells us if it's a good fit for our software. If they are, we send the information to find email to find the emails. And if it finds an email address, it sends it to never bounce to just double check and make sure it's a great email address. And then only if it passes all of those will it end up back in the Google Sheet as a finished processed lead. Name, email, LinkedIn, summary, good fit, and domain, which means our Google Sheet is only going to have great fits for our company that have valid email addresses. By the way, I did a whole click-by-click tutorial on how to set this up in another video, but just know this is pretty easy to set up. So let's generate some leads. This has been running for about 45 minutes, and you can see that we now have 154 verified leads, with more coming in every single second. Now you've got a list of verified leads, but if you want to turn this into real cold email campaigns that get responses, that's where AB Mastermind comes in. We help you write the cold emails, build the campaigns, and close the deals, and you can apply right at this URL here. In a second, I'll recommend another great video for you to watch. Smash that like button, comment down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.